Hey guys, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Power here, and today I'm going to be talking about sticker swaps and sticker swapping. Now, I'm relatively new to the hobby that is sticker swaps. People have amazing collections of them posted over on Instagram. If you just search the hashtag sticker swap or sticker swaps with an S, you'll be amazed by how many people and talented artists are willing to trade and help get your name out there, get their name out there by swapping stickers with you. I have my own sticker now. It's about the size of a standard size business card, and it is the same design as my banner and also the graphic that appears at the beginning of most of my woodworking videos. If you want one, head over to Instagram and send me a message and I'll be happy to get one out to you. Okay guys, here is my rotating sticker swap sticker box. Try saying that 5 times fast. It is made out of that thick poster board you can get at the Dollar Tree. I think I used 2 or 3 sheets making this. I can't remember, but I made this before I started posting woodworking videos over here on YouTube. It is inspired by the one that Steve Carmichael made over at the Carmichael Workshop, and he made a sticker spinner out of thin plywood and a disco ball motor similar to what I have here. But this design was really inspired by his, and all credit goes to Steve Carmichael. And I'm actually going to drop a link below in the description to the sticker spinner that he made so you can go and check that out. Now, I'm going to take this down so I can show you some of the stickers I've got. Okay, here's my rotating sticker swap sticker box, and with it being a box, it has 4 sides. And I don't have nothing on this side yet. I've got a few on this side. This is a lot of the YouTube woodworkers I follow and talk to. This side is dedicated to my hometown of Burlington, so this is stickers from local companies in and around Burlington, North Carolina. But recently, I got in 3 new stickers, so let's get those on the box. Okay. Macwood Designs. Our Rugged Workshop. And the Green Woodworker Podcast. Now, if you want me to add your sticker to this, just, again, head over to Instagram and send me your address. I'll send you mine and we'll sticker swap. There we go. That looks nice. The object of sticker swapping is to get your name out and to also get other people's names out, like I'm doing here. Your whatever social media you're comfortable with, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook. I know there's more that I'm not naming, but you just, every time you get a few stickers, you just post their stuff and tag them so other people can find their work, and then when the sticker you send gets out, hopefully they will post yours and they will tag you as well so you can also get your name out there. It's a great way to interact and network with all types of artists and artisans. So let me get the box back up on the spinner and we'll head back over there. The rotating sticker swap sticker box is back up on the wall. It is hooked back up to the disco ball motor. It's in a corner of the workshop that I don't really use because I have a wood stove sitting right here in front of me, but I think it's appropriate that it's over here in this corner because I have my scroll saw display wall here of stuff that I've made throughout the years. I hope you have learned a lot about sticker swaps and sticker swapping. Please like, share, and maybe even subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be back real soon with another scroll saw or woodworking video. As always, take care and God bless.